The first thing we did was to go to the base of the tower and drove in deep earth ground. Once that was less than 5 ohms, we bonded temporarily with a clamp to the tower. Then the crews went out to the various radials and drove a similar deep earth ground. At that site, the rods ranged from 50 to 70 feet in depth. When we went inside the facility, the first thing that we looked at is the bonding of the equipment in the racks. There was a small halo running around the exterior perimeter of the room. However, the racks were in the center of the room, so we ran a second halo on the inside of that. We also noticed that the electrical service entrance ground was in no way, shape, or form bonded to the tower equipment or the rack grounding. We have a new rod at the electrical service entrance with a 4-aught that's extrathermically welded that will run in and actually bond to the rack. So the entire facility will be bonded as one. Part of the problem when you install a halo, if you take a look at the distance of the halo from the equipment racks, you've got to get it close enough so that it will be functional and the frequencies that have to be handled will be dissipated very quickly. We also have very large copper metal bonding plates to home run all of the equipment and grounding from the racks. That's really critical. You want to try to avoid in daisy chaining grounds. The next step in that process will be to select surge protection products that are appropriate and adequate for the exposure that we're going to be faced with at these tower and communication sites.